Microsoft Teams call quality monitoring analyzes user-level call performance to identify and resolve communication issues. Historical analytics help IT teams quickly identify network, device, or configuration problems, reducing help desk incidents while ensuring optimal Teams performance. Microsoft Teams call quality monitoring analyzes three aspects: call performance with session tracking, network metrics including packet loss and jitter, and device health covering CPU usage and Wi-Fi signal strength. Proactive monitoring detects and resolves issues before they impact users. Real-time analytics pinpoint root causes quickly, reducing investigation time and help desk incidents while ensuring consistent, high-quality communication. A user reports recurring Teams issues with breaking audio and freezing video. Let's see how call quality monitoring helps troubleshoot this problem. We open the incident in Service Operations Workspace. After checking the incident description and configuration item, we navigate to the Applications page, select the Teams application, and then Call Quality. Then we enter the user's name and start and end dates to get detailed analytics for this user's call history. The user experienced several poor calls with performance spikes at specific times. High packet loss and jitter during these periods indicate network-related issues. We navigate to Devices and find our device. Then select Connection Details on the Device page. The Wi-Fi signal strength is excellent at 90% with good receive and transmit rates. Now we select Wi-Fi under Device Metrics. The graph reveals that actual bandwidth is much lower than the connection capacity, which may be causing the poor call quality during home network usage. Back on the Teams application page, we see that call quality spikes appear during office hours as well. But packet loss and jitter graph shows no network problems during those hours, which means the network isn't the root cause of the issue. With network ruled out, we navigate to Performance under Device Metrics. CPU usage is at 80%, indicating resource constraints are affecting Teams performance. We select Installed Apps under Application Performance and find that Chrome, not Teams, is consuming 80% of CPU resource. This resource competition degrades Teams performance during calls.
The end process action helps free up CPU resources for other applications.
For advanced monitoring, we can navigate to the Teams application page, select Call Quality, and click the Call Quality Metrics tab. Here, Call Segregation separates poor calls from good calls for focused analysis. Timeline views enable quick trend identification across all performance metrics. We can also view session quality details, calls made via Wi-Fi versus wired connections, and other technical insights including codecs used, media type, and the operating system on devices. This holistic view enables proactive troubleshooting and faster issue resolution. Microsoft Teams Call Quality Monitoring delivers real-time analytics, comprehensive metrics, and proactive issue detection.